Today I'm making a one pot lemon and garlic creamy orzo with some salmon on top. It comes together in under 30 minutes. It's delicious, it's lemony, it's garlicky, and it'll be one of the best dinners you've had in a long time. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it. I'm using salmon with skin on, but you can use skinless as well. And I'm seasoning it with salt and pepper. Add olive oil to your pan on medium-high heat and heat for about 2 minutes. I normally add my salmon skin side down first, but I just want to give it a nice color, and it will finish cooking a little when I add it back to the orzo. Flip it and cook it for another 2 minutes. Okay. It's delicious. Look at that beautiful color. Remove the salmon from the pan and leave about a tablespoon of the oil and add 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using the caramelized onions that I prepared a few weeks back, but you can also use white onion or shallots if that's what you have on hand. But I will say the caramelized onions really add to the dish. Saute for about 2 to 3 minutes until aromatic, and then you'll add in your crushed garlic. We've got Frank here for my garlic. Bam. Add in the crushed garlic and saute for about a minute or until it's nice and fragrant. Add in the orzo and toast for about 3 to 4 minutes so it develops some color and absorbs all of those aromatics. You'll then deglaze the pan with white wine and let it reduce for about 2 minutes. For my chicken broth, I'm using better than bouillon, just dissolved in water, just because I love the taste. And I'm also adding in some heavy cream. And for our seasonings, I've got onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and red pepper flakes. Give that a good mix and let all of those flavors meld together. And this wouldn't be lemon garlic orzo without some fresh lemon zest and of course some fresh lemon juice. And let me warn you, be very careful here. All right, didn't squirt my eye that time. Cover and cook for 10 minutes or until al dente, or a little longer if you like it a little softer. I'm also gonna add in some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and freshly grated is always best if you can. Add in the Parmesan cheese, combine, and this is the perfect opportunity to taste for salt and pepper. Perfection. Add the salmon back in and simmer on low for about 2 minutes or until your salmon is fully cooked to your desired doneness. As a finishing touch, I love to add in some fresh lemon wedges, maybe a little more lemon zest, and then I top it with some freshly chopped parsley. And there you have it, a delicious 30-minute meal. Start by plating the lemony creamy orzo, and you can also add in some more Parmesan if you want. Top it with your salmon and let's go. Let's try this bad boy. I'm gonna try the orzo first. That is garlicky and lemony, just the way we like it. Meat a little salmon, dip it in the orzo. So good. If you guys love it, let me know in the comments. Bon appetit.